Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to use Capcut templates on PC, Mac to edit your videos. So you can go to any web browser and then you can type here Capcut login. So you need to sign in or log into your Capcut account. Make sure that you have your Capcut account here. So you have choices here, options on how to log in to your Capcut. I chose Google or Gmail account. And then below here, you can see templates and you have to look for the category that you want. If it's not here, then you can go to the search bar, search icon, and then look for the specific effects or sample templates related to, for example, vintage. And then here, you just have to click and then you will see use template. And then you can use this template in CapCut. Also, another thing is that you can go to any web browser again and then type CapCut template. And you can be very specific here, like CapCut template vintage. Then it will show you some samples of CapCut templates, and all you have to do is to click. So let's just say these are the templates from CapCut. And then you have to look for that specific template here, or let's just say you want this one. All you have to do is to click this use this template button. And then after that, you can now use this video or you can import a video from your PC. So as you can see here, I am now currently using this template. I can edit, add text, change text, add effects, and also I can replace this with the video. All I have to do is to click upload, upload the file, and then replace the video right here. And this is the result. So right now you're using the font, the style, the effects of this template, but feel free to change it whenever you feel it, whenever you feel like changing something. So that's how easy it is. You just have to go and sign into your CapCut or go to CapCut template and then tap use this template button, and that's it. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe to our channel and see you again in our next video tutorials.